Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to hide WhatsApp group. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my WhatsApp. Then having opened up your WhatsApp, next thing you want to do is to simply look for the group that you would like to hide. So like for instance, I'm going to hide this particular group right here. What we need to do is to simply click on the group name. Then when you click on the group name, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the group icon name right here. So click on the group name on the top, then you take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on chat lock. Then enter your pattern lock. It's as simple as that. And this button here is going to be enabled. By the time I go back to my WhatsApp, if anybody go to my WhatsApp and they are looking for that type of group, they will not be able to see it on my WhatsApp. So you can see right here that the group has been successfully hid. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to hide WhatsApp group without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.